all, welcome back. Today we're going to take the 1989 Chevy G20 van. We're going to go ahead and pack her up and take her camping. I already got most everything that I need in here. So right now I hadn't begun yet on redoing the building the bed and maybe some counter space at the moment. I'm probably going to do that hopefully after Thanksgiving when it gets a little bit cooler out. It is actually cool today, so that helps. I think the high is only going to be in the mid to upper 60s, but and the low tonight is going to be low 50s, upper 40s, so it's going to be a nice night camping. It's sunny out right now, so it'll be a good night for a campfire too. Anyways, I got my electric cooler here. We're probably gonna do some hamburgers tonight. I'm staying at a local campground. My family, my wife, daughter, and grandson are gonna meet me out there. We're just gonna grill out some burgers. So I brought my Blue Eddy. This is the AC 200L. So it's the 2400 watt. I did not bring the solar panels since I'm only going to be gone for one day. If I was going to be gone multiple days, I would bring the solar panels as well. I'm not going to plug in using the shore power that is available at the campground. I'm just going to use this for now, and this should power up everything I need for lights, my little heater if I need to cut it on at night. And I do have another Blue Eddy. It's the, I forget, but it's the 1000 watt one, but this one has more power, so I just decided to bring that one along instead. And if you watch any of my earlier videos, I did power this fridge. I could pretty much power this fridge with the small 300 watt one for pretty much up to 20 to 24 hours. Once this gets cool to the desired temperature, it'll end up, just cuts off and on. So we're going to be good. Anyway, so still got a little bit more packing to do, and then we're going to go ahead and get going. All right, well, I guess I'm about on my way, so I got everything packed that I need. I'm pretty sure I forgot some stuff. I got some wood right there, and then got a few other things that I need, so if I do forget anything, I guess I can call my wife and daughter and tell them to bring it. Kind of excited. It's been a long time. Probably, I think the last time I camped in the van was probably May, so it's been a good 6 months. The reason for that is I went to, like in June, I went to Savannah for a week or so, and then I believe I went somewhere else in July. I can't remember. And then after that, it just started getting real hot. So it wasn't, to me, ideal to go camping while it's like that, because just sweating when you're outside. And I may try it next year, but I'm going to get one of those portable ACs that, you can put in here. Yeah, so right now I only have a I mean, it drives pretty good. I do need to get the radiator fixed, I guess, or find out what's leaking. It's just a small leak. This has never run hot. It's just I've been monitoring the coolant level, so yeah, so that's definitely going to have to be looked at before I take any kind of longer trip. Like I said, this local campground is just, it's in the county, so it's not too far. I think though, until that happens, if I go a long ways though, I'm going to end up taking my Pathfinder to go camping. I already got it, what I believe, set up for that, so that may happen during Thanksgiving week. I definitely think that I'm going to, you know, get the transmission rebuilt before too long though, because I do feel like a hard shift right there, right when I want to say maybe going from second to third. I mean, it could be first to second, I'm not entirely sure. Let's see if I slow it down right here, and then we'll see how it goes from that point. So I'm going really below. I should be in first. Right there. So I think it's going from first to second. Second to third doesn't seem to have any issue at all. But someone did tell me though, going from one of those gears to the other, it always kind of hits hard. But you know, like I said, I don't know too much about vehicles, so I guess it's something I need to research on. I'm gonna head in real quick and pay for my spot, and then should be able to head on to the campsite. I need to go ahead and start a fire because I only got about a few hours of daylight left, so I can go ahead and cook. Well, got it all paid for. Let's head to the campground. This campground here has a nice little lake. So check-in was pretty easy. There was only one person ahead of me, and he was already on his way out when I was coming in. So like I said, I need to go ahead and start a fire just so I have some good coals for the burgers. Been out here in a long while. Like well, I think last time I was out here was either April or maybe it was March. So we did have some big storms come through. We had that Hurricane Helene, obviously that was big. So I wonder how much damage it's done to the campground. We'll check that out when we get there. This looks pretty decent. I see a couple trees leaning. I saw a tree over there uprooted. But one of the reasons that made me think about that is when we just came in right there, I just seen a bunch of utility trucks. So over that way, so maybe they're just repairing some stuff, but arrived at the campground. Now just heading to our spot. They got some pretty cool campers. I like that little one over there. Some of these bigger ones are cool too, but obviously I don't have nothing to pull that with. Got some people already started the grills. Like for me, I'm gonna do the campfire, so. The first thing I do, I guess, before I do anything, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start a fire just to get that going. Alright, well, I got the fire going. It's kind of smoldering at the moment. You see that right there? And I'm about to, I opened these windows in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this other stuff out, set up, and then I'll probably come in back in here and clean up just a hair, just to get things organized. Alright, well, the fire is going. Still got some smoke here. Hopefully they don't mind, but let's get something to drink out of the cooler. Alright, well, I'm going to check this real quick. Well, I think I got to do that. There you go. I'm at 86%, so I feel like I'm pretty good. Like I said, all I gotta do is power the lights and then the heater tonight if I need it. I'm actually charging my radio up right now, and it's keeping this cool. So that's, like I said, a Blue Eddy AC 200L. And then this cooler here is my Set Power cooler. I got this for Christmas last year. and get something out of the cooler. Alright, well, I grabbed me a soda. Just got a few snacks. Got my hamburger here, some Powerade, and then just the condiments. Well, I threw a couple more logs on there. Ones I got from work. The other logs, they're kind of damp, so I'm just going to go ahead and dry them off a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and go in the van and straighten that up. Alright, well, I probably won't take too long, but I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the cot out just so we got a little bit of organization in here, and then we'll head back outside. Alright, so I brought this sheet because I don't technically have a big curtain in the back, so I just put this up right here. And this will serve as my back window curtain. I do have this curtain. I need to set up that one too, so when I get this, put that over here. I'm going to drag my fridge out, my cooler. So I'm going to use this as a mini table as well later on tonight. I have just some accessories here for like my you know, just extra clothes and stuff like that. And my headlamp and my toboggan for tonight if it gets a little cool. It's supposed to get down in the morning at least about 47, I think, but I'll bring these outside real quick after well, now I wait till I get this up. This is my big curtain that I use for the front. I'll set this up there for now. Put this up in just a little bit. And this curtain is for the side doors. I'll set that up this evening as well. Alright. And then I got a curtains right here. I think it's going to go to this side window over here. And that's about it. I'm about there. Get my sleeping bag done. This is like my favorite blanket. I use it for everything. I mean, I go to sleep in it. I bring it on trips, or just laying on the couch. So it's like my Linus blanket. But so anyways, my bed's set up. I'm kind of feeling warm right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and head outside real quick. Fire's going pretty good. Hey, I'm just realized I'm right beside the restroom too, so that's a plus for me. So I know a few of you doubted if Hillbilly Rick can start a fire, and the answer is yes, he can. Needed it to burn down a little bit though, so I can use the coals for cooking the burgers though. Well, my family should be on their way soon, so I get to spend a couple hours with them before it gets too dark. It's a good look at the campground. Got clear skies, so should be good. Alright, so right now, currently, in the van, it is about 75, 76. Take it outside, see what it is. Alright, well I gave this a little time to acclimate out here. And it looks like it's reading about 68 degrees. I also put the burgers on. I think there's the family over there coming around. Hey.
Should have brought some steak sauce. Should have brought some steak sauce. Bite it for Papa.
I bought it.
No, bite it for the...
No,
He's gonna take a picture
bite
of
the
you.
s'more.
Here, we'll bite ours together. Ready?
There you go. Bite it. Good job.
I guess those coyotes.
Yeah. Definitely something.
Can I start, Mom?
That's like a yearly out one. I just
Start, Mom. Mommy.
What, buddy?
Let's start.
Yeah, it's getting dark. That's not going to be a good idea right there, bro. You don't want to burn this one?
Huh?
You don't want to burn this?
Yeah, so you got the sun going down over there, and I don't know if you can see that, but that's the moon straight ahead in the center is kind of rising up that way. The family just left a little bit ago, and I do have the campfire going. I'm boiling some water so I can make some hot chocolate. Alright, well, gonna come in here real quick, grab my cup, and let's see, it's kind of dark in here. I do have some light. So this thing right here is kind of neat. Let me see if I can get some more light real quick, and I'll get right back with you. Alright, so it's a little brighter. I have this string light going right there. I got that light going, and then I already had that one up that way. So that string light can actually go a lot farther, and it's rechargeable. So anyways, what I was saying is this thing here, it actually goes behind a seat. I have some in the Pathfinder, but this one's kind of like, you know, leather. I don't know, it's probably fake, but it didn't the van seats didn't have a headrest to put it in, so I just hung it up right here. But this is I got some cups for the that I took when I was at the different hotels throughout the year. So I think I'm gonna use this one for my hot chocolate, and I don't know if this will fit here or not. Oh, got a little soap right here. I don't think that'll, it may fit. I'll try it. Not, then these I just got recently at the Hilton Garden. No, those don't fit that one. So I think it fits this one, so I'll just use that. So anyways, it comes in handy for stuff like that. And then, let me just pop that there. So let's go back out there. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate, sit by the fire for a little bit, and just enjoy it for a little while at least. Starting to cool off a little bit, but I'm still kind of warm, so. Well, I'm on my second cup of hot chocolate, so it just feels good being by the fire, even though it's starting to get a little cooler, but I'm still not that cold. I did go ahead and put my little beanie on, so I wish you could, the GoPro really doesn't do the moon any justice right there, but it looks beautiful through the trees. I don't know if you can see the van with the firelight right there, but there's the it's about close to 7 now. Well, that's right at 7. so I'm just out here enjoying the fire. And after this, I'll probably go in and hang out in the van. And I downloaded Deadpool and Wolverine, so that just came out today on Disney, so I'm gonna go ahead and watch that, and should be fun. I also downloaded a couple episodes of Outer Banks, but I doubt I'll stay up for that, but because I still want to just stay out here and enjoy the fire for a little bit. Alright, well, the fire's still going, but it's definitely getting dark, starting to get pretty cool out. I'm going to put a GoPro on top of the van right here. Let's see. And I'm going to do a night time lapse of the stars. I don't know how well it's going to be since the full moon out, but we'll try it anyways, and I'm sure I can use a little bit of it. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the van. All right. I think I'm gonna come in for a little bit, and probably catch up on that Deadpool Wolverine movie. I really need to come in here and kind of play with this a little bit. Hang this light up because it's a pretty cool light. And then this is a motion detecting light right here, so anyways, so let's see, you see my curtain right there, and then I do have a curtain that goes right there too, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and then I may go ahead and watch a movie just for a little bit. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just change into some shorts and a shirt, and then I'll be ready to lay down and watch something. So yeah. I guess I need to put on this shirt too. Alright, well, I'm all changed. Think I'm gonna go ahead and start my movie, so we'll catch up. My motion detector light went off. There we go. I guess I'll go ahead and catch up with you guys in just a little bit, and yeah, hopefully it's a good movie. Well, it's the morning. I woke up and probably about 4. So I actually probably fell asleep around I'd say probably close to 9:30. I was watching that Deadpool Wolverine movie, and then I was just getting tired, and I just put it down and fell asleep. But I saw the time before I got up, and or before I went to sleep, and it said about 9:20 something. But anyways, I woke up about 4, and it was cold. Like, I want to say, I closed the windows because I still had the windows open in the van, and then maybe that was about 2. I closed the windows. About 4, I whipped out the heater, and it said that I would only have about an hour and a half of power, through my Bluetti. That was using about 900 watts, an hour. So, or it was using 900 watts. So, uh, it didn't last long. I still have it on. It only down to like 2% now, but I don't really have anything in my fridge that needs to be cold anyways. But I mean, it's still, or on the cooler, but the cooler's still on, so it's still running on that little bit of juice. But it's definitely cold right now, so maybe that's a lesson learned. I'll go ahead and if I'm doing this again, so I say lesson learned. I can right now take the the Bluetti box and bring it outside and charge it. It will only take an hour and a half to fully charge. I can charge it probably in 45 minutes. I think it goes to 80%. So then it can, and if I'm on a longer, a longer camping trip and I have no power, I also got the solar panels too, so I can use that to charge it up. So it worked like I wanted to. So I do have 2 Bluettis, so maybe I'll bring the second one as well just in case. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up. I did put on about 5 after about 6 o'clock in the morning. I think it's let's see, it's 7 right now. So about 6 o'clock, I got fully dressed, put my beanie on, put my sweatshirt on, pants and all that stuff, and got back in the sleeping bag. I didn't fall back to sleep, but I watched the rest of that Deadpool Wolverine movie. So anyways, this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna get up, go use the bathroom, and I may just go ahead and pack things up, ride around the park for a little bit, and then head home. It's nice and cool out here. I'm gonna head and use the bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some stuff up. Right now it's reading 51 degrees. So I'm gonna grab this real quick. I'm gonna kind of pick things up because I hate doing it when I'm at home. I'd rather it be kind of organized right now and then pick it up, just a little bit that I need to at home. So yeah, other than that, I had a great time. The like I said, the Bluetti's pretty cool. It was pretty cool not having to plug into the power out here. This was just trying it out. Obviously, if I do this again and it gets a little colder, and I'm only doing it for one night, and if I have the power here, I'm going to plug in so I can use my heater, longer than that. But that was definitely a good option to have. So I'm going to go ahead and finish picking some stuff up and putting things where it belongs, so when I carry stuff inside when I get home, it won't be too big of a deal. This little light right here, It's called a multi-function camping light. It unwinds and stuff like that. Um, it's pretty cool, I'd say. I'm pretty impressed with it. It charges up, you know, so you don't have to plug it in anywhere. So I can actually use this anywhere. Like, even when I go home, I can put it outside if we just want to hang outside. So I will definitely use that again. Real quick, just wanted to go over this one more time. So you see I got 2%. At this rate, my cooler, it's not technically on right now, so it's not drawing any power, but it says I got, you know, 4 hours left, if this is, I guess, unused like that. So I was charging my phone. I had the string light charged in it, so that string light there, so that runs primarily just on USB. I'm gonna cut that off, because I don't need the fridge on really. And that's all it is. It says it's off. So far I've been a big fan of the Blue Eddy. It's I used it for, well, like when we have hurricanes and we know we're gonna have power outage for a while. So what I'll do is I'll run my freezer and fridge off of this until, you know, then I only run my generator just to charge this. I got a smaller Blue Eddy that I use for the TV and stuff. So the only thing though, smaller Blue Eddy, with the bigger TVs now, they use a lot more watts. So I'm thinking about getting another Blue Eddy just like this one. Like I said, so I got solar panels for this one. I can actually keep this charged while plugged into the freezer and fridge during the day, and it basically tops it off as long as it's, you know, sunny. So it's like a 400 watt solar panel. So as long as you're getting a full charge, you're getting a you're basically gonna be able to top it off. And really, if you're only getting about 200 some watts, the fridge and the freezer, the fridge will use, you know, so many watts. I forget how much it is, but once it reaches temperature, it shuts off too, like the freezer. It's still using some wattage, the fridge, but not like the when it needs to get the power to where it needs, or, you know, the temperature where it needs to be. So anyways, similar to this cooler. Anyways, I'm gonna finish putting this stuff up. Now I just need to go in and I need to go out there actually and pick up the rest of the stuff, especially my GoPro, so that way it'll be out of the way when I leave. Wow, the GoPro was still on, so I started this last night. I don't know if it won't show anything right there or focus in, but anyways, I started this last night, probably around 8 something, but I got this power bank hooked up to it, so All right. Well, I think I got everything. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up and head on out of here. We'll drive around the park real quick though. We're gonna cut some heat on this thing. Get that warmed up a little bit. Let the van warm up a little bit. Go down the other way. I know they closed the trails because of the Hurricane Helene. Had they got like so many trees and all that stuff down there, so I always usually see deer here in the morning, but it is the hunting season, so I don't know if they're running around or whatever, but and I might have waited too late in the morning to spot them, but trail's closed over there. So I reckon there's not much left to do here. I think I'm gonna head on home. I said it's been a fun trip. Wasn't too long really. I got here late yesterday, so only had a few hours of daylight. It was nice that the family stopped by. I am planning on something, I think just a little over a week, so I don't know yet where, but I have a couple days that I'm going to do it in. But I think I'm either going to go in my Pathfinder or go tent camping. So that's the plan anyways. Thanks for watching the Hillbilly Rick channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this content, you know, or I know it's kind of boring videos, but if that's what you're into, please like it and subscribe. Anything is helpful. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Also, before I leave, if you could leave in the content like why you like the video, like is it because of the van, is it camping, or just in general, that kind of gives me an idea, what y'all like to see. So anyways, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you guys on the next one.